Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Log In. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your T-Mobile account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your T-Mobile's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your T-Mobile application. The official page of T-Mobile application will appear on the screen. You can log into your T-Mobile's account with your phone number or by using your email address and password as well. Enter your username, that is your email address and password associated with your T-Mobile's account and tap on continue. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can log into your T-Mobile's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.